I really, really like a yellow cat. I mean like orange cat. They look so cute. So I don't know. I'm just thinking, but might not adopt another cat.
나 주황색 고양이 짱 귀여워. 나 짱 키우고 싶어.
아 진짜? 블링크가 원하는 거
한 마리 더 생각하고 있어. 주황색 고양이로.
내 거야 이렇게 돼요. 엄청 요만해서
Why does all the cat names start with L? What do you think?
I don't know why.
That's really odd, Lisa. Like, how did that happen? That's really random. Like, why did they all start with L? That's so random, Lisa. I don't understand. I can't even imagine why you would have done that. Like, L, out of all the L letters.